Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of lawn care with a product that promises to make your outdoor cleaning a breeze. Introducing the VEVOR Push Lawn Sweeper, touted as one of the best lawn sweepers on the market. Let's jump right in and explore why this tool has garnered so much attention. The VEVOR Push Lawn Sweeper isn't just your average leaf collector. It's engineered with robust features to tackle debris efficiently and effortlessly. From its sturdy construction to its innovative design, this sweeper is built to keep your lawn pristine. First off, let's talk about the build quality. This sweeper boasts a heavy-duty, thickened steel frame that ensures durability and stability. It won't tip over even when the collection bag is full, thanks to its reinforced steel pipes. The heart of this sweeper lies in its 4 spinning brushes. These aren't your run-of-the-mill brushes, they're designed to be thickened and densified, maximizing sweeping force while preventing deformation. With a sweeping width of 26 inches, it can efficiently clean up to 80% of debris in a single pass. Adjustability is another standout feature. You can easily customize the height of the spinning brushes with a simple knob adjustment, making it suitable for various terrains, whether it's your sidewalk, driveway, yard, or garden. And let's not forget the collection bag. It's made from high-quality non-woven material, offering a generous capacity of 7 cubic feet. This means fewer trips to empty out debris, saving you time and effort during your cleaning sessions. What does all this mean for you? Well, imagine effortlessly gliding this sweeper across your lawn, watching as it picks up leaves, small twigs, and grass clippings with precision. It's a game-changer for maintaining a neat and tidy outdoor space without the back-breaking labor of manual raking. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfortable operation, while the lightweight design makes maneuvering a breeze. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your lawn care routine, the VEVOR Push Lawn Sweeper is definitely worth considering. Its robust build, efficient sweeping capabilities, and user-friendly design make it a standout choice in the world of lawn sweepers. That wraps up our review for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.